Hi, Dan with ReadyLIFT. I'm here to introduce our new 4-inch SST kit for the 2019 GM 1500s. Now this 4-inch kit features control arms, preload spacer, and a bottom spacer. Enough room to run a 35-inch tire on these 20-inch XD wheels. Want to learn more? Check it out. ReadyLIFT's new 4-inch SST Lift Kit for the 2019 GM 1500 trucks includes everything you need to get the job done right. At 4 inches of lift, it is critical to have corrected ball joint angles to prevent binding and premature ball joint failure. ReadyLIFT's new arms have corrected cup angles, and the length of the control arm is specific for this lift type to assure proper alignment. Featuring terrain control technology bushings that are self-lubricating, free-floating, and pivot freely around the sleeve, eliminating friction and wear. The front ride height is increased 4 inches by adding CNC billet aluminum preload spacers and fabricated steel strut top spacers that are tapered and offset to guarantee proper angles and geometry. 3-inch tall OE style cast iron blocks bring up the rear. You know, there's been some mixed reviews on these new 19 Silverados. Some love them, some hate them. We think they're pretty awesome looking, especially when you put a 4-inch ReadyLIFT SST kit underneath. It makes plenty of room for a 35-inch tire. In this case, a Nitto Ridge Grappler wrapped around some sweet XD wheels. If you're looking for a lift kit that provides excellent handling off-road with a significant increase in ground clearance and a factory-like ride on the road, the ReadyLIFT 693940 SST kit delivers. And like all ReadyLIFT SST kits, this kit bolts in with no cutting for an easy install. To get the performance and awesome stance this truck deserves, look to ReadyLIFT. To learn more, visit ReadyLIFT.com.